Most Nigerians picture Rwanda as a small, poor, landlocked country they remember from history class. What I found when that plane touched down in Kigali was one of the cleanest, most organized, most beautiful capitals I have ever seen in Africa. And I have seen a few. First thing, how do you get there? From Lagos, the most common route is Lagos to Nairobi on Kenya Airways or Ethiopian Airlines, then Nairobi to Kigali. Total travel time with a layover, roughly 8 to 10 hours. If you catch a good connection, you can do it in under 7. Return ticket. I found mine for around $400 to $550, depending on the season. Book at least 6 weeks out for the best prices. Now the visa. And this is the part Nigerians always ask about. Rwanda gives Nigerians visa on arrival. You land, you join the queue, you pay $50 US cash at the counter, and you're in. 30 days. No embassy, no waiting. I had mine in 20 minutes. Kigali is one of the cleanest cities on the continent. I'm not exaggerating. There are no plastic bags. They've been banned since 2008. The streets are swept every Saturday morning by the entire country. It's called Umuganda, a community workday. You land here and you feel like the city respects itself, and that changes how you move through it. For food, go to Kimironko Market on day 1. Local Rwandan food, incredible produce, and you get the pulse of everyday Kigali life. For something more elevated, Repub Lounge in the Kiyovu neighborhood is where Kigali's creative class gathers. Get the grilled tilapia and the passion fruit juice. You'll understand why people move here. The Kigali Genocide Memorial is not optional. Go. It is one of the most important and sobering experiences you will have as a traveler on this continent. Give it 2 hours. Leave your camera outside the main exhibition hall. Day 3. We woke up at 4 a.m. I'm not a morning person, but when your guide tells you you're about to track a family of mountain gorillas in the jungle, you get up. We were briefed at the park headquarters, split into groups of 8, and started the hike at sunrise. The terrain is steep, volcanic, and extraordinary. Your porters will carry your bag and help you up the slopes. Hire one, tip them well. They make the experience. Then, after about 2 hours of hiking, you hear it. Movement. Leaves. Something massive. And then you see them. A silverback mountain gorilla, maybe 10 meters away, just watching you. Around him, the family, babies hanging from branches, mothers foraging. You get 1 hour with them. 1 hour. And every second of it, I was completely silent. I will not tell you this is cheap. The gorilla permit costs $1,500 US. That is the number. But here is what I will tell you. I have spent money on trips that left me with nothing but Instagram photos. This left me with something I cannot describe. It is worth it. Start saving now. Days 4 and 5, Lake Kivu. 2 hours from Kigali, this is Rwanda's coastline. The lake stretches out like a sea. I stayed in Gisenyi on the northern shore, a lakeside guest house for about $40 a night. I sat on that terrace and ate fresh lake fish while watching the sun go down over the Congo border in the distance. I thought, Nigerians are flying to Turkey for this. This is right here. I'll address this directly because it comes up in the comments every time I mention East Africa. Is Rwanda safe? Yes. Rwanda is one of the safest countries on the African continent, full stop. Low crime, well-functioning police, no harassment culture toward tourists. I walked around Kigali at night. I took motorcycle taxis alone. At no point did I feel anything other than welcome. As a Nigerian specifically, people were warm, curious, and respectful. The history of this country has made its people deeply intentional about the kind of society they want to build. You feel that. It changes the trip. Rwanda is the trip I didn't know I needed. It will make you proud of what Africa is capable of. It will make you question why you've been flying over the continent to get to other continents. And it will make you want to come back. Has anyone here been to Rwanda? I want to hear your experience in the comments. What surprised you? What moved you? What you would tell the next Nigerian thinking about going? Subscribe if you want more of this. Nigeria and West Africa to the world. I'll see you in the next one.